When God created heaven and earth, the book of Genesis says that God saw it was beautiful, it was good. And when God created man, the same book says, God the Lord took man and put him in the Garden of Eden in order to take care of it and to work it. This is our belief. We believe that our planet is our new Garden of Eden. NDU aligned its mission with the encyclical of Pope Francis, Laudato Si, on the care of our common home. In 2013, we started sustainability project with a team of internal experts backed by the European Union's Tempest program. Afterwards, we initiated a multidisciplinary sustainability task force in order to start working on sustainability on campus.
The task force has two parallel structures. On one side, we have the committees, the technical committee and the communication committee. Together, they develop the plans, the strategy, the vision, and oversee the implementation of NDU action plan. On the other hand, we have the working groups. Every working group focuses on one aspect of environmental sustainability.
I'm proud to say that NDU has had a track record of achievements when it comes to sustainability initiatives. It is very important to communicate or promote NDU's sustainability achievements, both internally and externally, to solidify or affirm its position nationally as experts when it comes to sustainability across various areas or pillars. Look at the SDG wall behind me, for instance, which is a very nice example of how we are trying to report externally the various initiatives that NDU is doing, particularly when it comes to the UNGC Sustainable Development Goals. NDU recently received the UNGC SDG Milestones Award, particularly in the academia category.
Our goal was, and still is, to become a zero-waste university and to embed this culture of sustainability in the mindset of our students.
Six out of 7 students have recently been awarded funding for several projects in the USAID-funded Lebanon Water Project. We also received the Lebanon Climate Act Champions in 2018. NDU is now the leading expert trying to solve the pollution issue in the Kasserwan area in collaboration with another university in the region. It is also important to talk about sustainability and promote it internally within the NDU community. NDU is ranked as the second most sustainable university in Lebanon, but we are leaders when it comes to water conservation and waste management.
I remember we started with small steps by sorting organic and inorganic waste.
Waste management was a very interesting project because we started involving the students, we tried sharing it internally with the faculty and the staff, and we started to see how everybody was engaging with it.
The program covered all aspects of waste management, starting with separation at the source to storage, collection, and then sorting, even recycling and treatment. We replaced all bins on campus by twin bins. You can find either bins for recyclables or for trash. We established a sorting point on campus as well to further sort the recyclables. We also signed MOUs with collection companies to collect the waste, organic waste like landscaping waste, our electronic waste, as well as our hazardous waste that is collected and shipped for proper processing. We have 8 working groups. Every working group has his own key performance indicators, creates its own initiatives, work on them, make sure they are achieved. In order to reduce our impact on the surrounding ecosystems, we are moving into what is called the integrated pest management system, which reduces our dependence on synthetic herbicides and pesticides. We have a working group on reporting and reviewing, the working group on climate change and carbon footprint reduction, on water conservation, ecosystem and land use, and these working groups have initiated a program on updating the irrigation system into a more water efficient system.
NTU involves its students, faculty, and staff in all our sustainability efforts on campus. We want them to become our ambassadors. We want them to believe in our vision that our planet is our Garden of Eden.